Here's how to recover deleted Yahoo emails. Now open up the Yahoo app here, or you can go to yahoo.com and go to the email from there. Now on your device, the first option you have is to go to your trash folder. So on the app, you can tap on Inbox at the very bottom left, and then just swipe down until you get to trash and tap on that. Now from here, all you need to do is tap on the email and then tap on move here, and we will move it back to your inbox. Now this will undelete it. Keep in mind on a computer, you can do this all same steps, just select the email and move it back to your inbox. However, let's say this doesn't work for you. There is a second option. Open up a web browser and you're just gonna type in Yahoo deleted email recovery. Again, Yahoo deleted email recovery. And here you can see recover lost or deleted emails. Now, the nice thing is that Yahoo says if any of your emails have been deleted or gone missing in the last 7 days, so keep in mind it's just within 1 week, submit a restore request and we'll do everything we can to recover it. So you can just read through, keep in mind, and what will happen. And when you're ready to go, just hit the send a restore request. And then sign into your Yahoo account here. So I'll just sign in using my Face ID or just enter in your password and then go through the process. Again, you can describe your problem here. In here, it says accidentally deleted messages on the web email. When did you delete the messages? Again, they will only do it within the last 7 days. So something like I just deleted it 0 to 4 hours ago, your Yahoo ID and email address, and then just hit the create request button and they'll get back to you.